Hi and welcome to syGlass Academy. Today we're talking about the Cutplane Tool. The Cutplane Tool is represented by a pair of scissors in the toolbar. This is what your tool will look like, and you'll primarily be using the trigger on the back of your controller. This data set was taken using serial block-face scanning electron microscopy techniques. If you look at the bottom of your tool settings menu, you'll see a section that says Lock to Cardinal Axis. These checkboxes will allow you to lock the mobility while using the cut plane. The Unlock selection allows for a freehand cut, as you can see, and all the others will fix the plane in that cardinal direction. The data will stay on the inside of your controller, so if you switch it around, you'll be able to flip the cut back and forth. For the rest of the settings, you can use the tool menu or press and hold on the touchpad on your controller to bring up the radial menu. This allows you to switch back and forth between different options for your tool. If you click on the right side of your radial menu, you'll see Use Slab Clipping. This tool option will now make two cuts at the width of your choice. The width can be adjusted using the slider or by circling the touchpad on your controller. To reset the data to the way it was in the beginning, just select Reset Cuts in your radial tool menu. The next option is to show raw data patch. This is a 2D slice of the raw data. The patch size can be adjusted using the Patch Size slider. The last option in your radial tool menu reads Lock Cut. This is so you can make multiple cuts in the data. I can go through and make as many cuts as I'd like, locking them as I go. This allows you to isolate a very specific piece of your data. Now you've mastered the Cutplane Tool. Visit www.syglass.io/academy for more tutorials on how to use syGlass. Thank you.